Hello, I'm Steve from Golf Car UK, and this is the all-new E-Z-GO RXV, one of the finest golf buggies currently on the market anywhere in the world. Let's take a minute to find out why. The RXV is renowned for its build and drive quality, but it's really what's under the seat that matters most. The industry-leading ELiTE Lithium Battery System is designed and built by Samsung batteries, who set the benchmark really for lithium technology. This ensures the industry's lowest operational costs and unrivaled reliability, with the ability to opportunity charge working in a similar way to your mobile phone. The benefit to you is that these RXVs will be on the course all day, every day, generating new revenue. The RXV ELiTE golf car has the IntelliBrake technology, which automatically slows down and parks the buggy, which dramatically improves the golfer's experience. Combining this with a limited slip differential, which is unique to the RXV, it provides better traction and less wear and tear on the course. Simply put, the RXV is packed with state-of-the-art technology that combines to provide you optimal performance and safety. E-Z-GO has also redesigned the interior, the result of which is the best-in-market golf-centric dashboard, which creates a lovely palatial and comfortable environment for your passengers to enjoy. On the subject of passenger comfort, the RXV boasts an integrated water drainage system, whereby excess water on the roof drains down the roof struts. This is fantastic because your passengers will no longer get surprisingly drenched when they turn sharply or drive over hilly terrain. A much more comfortable experience, which your customers will thank you for. Also, with the passengers in mind, we have an enlarged rear bagwell. It's actually the largest in the industry, and it will easily house 2 Pro tour bags. The E-Z-GO ticks all the boxes in terms of technology, style, performance and comfort. In addition to the fabulous RXV ELiTE buggy, Golf Car UK can offer you a free consultation to share over a decade's worth of insights on how to maximize your buggy fleet revenue. And we can elevate your club status even further with the additional upgrade to several GPS fleet management system solutions. If you haven't experienced any of the features we've just looked at for yourself in the real world, we strongly recommend you book yourself a free, no obligation site demonstration. And you can organize that by clicking the link in the video or by going to golfcaruk.com. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching.